Yes. Good morning, second class children. Are you all ready with the Hindi class of note? Okay. I hope everyone is ready with the Hindi class of note, isn't it? So science class is completed. Now we are getting into Hindi class. Okay. So yesterday, had you understand? And yesterday teacher gave some homework, and I started by Badi Ki Matra class. What is that? Join the letter and matra and how to frame the words. Joining the letter and matra. Isn't it, children? I think everyone had got practice, isn't it? And you are getting the previous matra is well practiced, I think so. Because teacher is giving homework, isn't it? So you got the habit of doing that, changing the letter to matra and framing the words. Today shall I give the homework? Are you all ready or you are saying no? Please children, don't say no. Okay? I will give only 3 homeworks today. I told you, I promised you yesterday. Today I will give 3 and tomorrow again 4 or 5. So I will make it like I will give some day, one day less, one day little bit more, 2 more extra. Okay. So I will give first homework. Then I will start my Badi Ki Matra hard words. I hope everyone is ready. I think so. And one more thing. Can you able to follow my Hindi class? Is it easy for you to understand me? Because sometimes I'm using a Telugu language, your mother tongue, and I'm speaking Hindi and I'm speaking English too, isn't it? During language class. Because some you have to understand. When I'm talking with you in English, you have to understand in Hindi also. Okay. So, should I start my class now? Okay. First I will give the homework. Then I will start my class. Okay. Get ready with the homework, children. Note down. First I will give the 3 homework. Okay. Now you take the next one. First word. With A and E matra I will take. Now first one we will start with gilas. E plus, G plus, La plus, A plus, S. Okay. Now you have to understand. I will underline the letter. You change this letter as what? Matra. Okay. Now which matra this is? Choti ki matra. Here you have to place the A matra. When you will write here, how you should have to write? Yes, you have to understand, no? So E matra letter has to change as a matra. Okay, look at your I had circle. You don't circle it. మీరు ఎవరు సర్కిల్ చేయొద్దు, మీకు అర్థం కావాలి. ఈని ఏం చేయాలి మాత్ర. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ షో యూ, డోంట్ కాపీ. గాకు చోటీకి మాత్ర. See here, E letter is that choti ki matra. Here A, la ko A ki matra, sa. Gilas. Got it now? Is it clear, children? So like this, you have to do it. Now number 2. Number second one, parivar. Pa plus ra plus, you can write I will give here E plus ra plus va plus a plus ra. Okay. Parivar. I will circle the letter. You make it as a change into matra. Okay. Number 3. Tinka. Only 3 I am giving homework. E plus, ta plus, na plus, ka plus, a. So నేను ఎక్కడ సర్కిల్ చేశానో దాన్ని ఏం చేయాలి? మాత్రగా మార్చాలి. ఓకే. Change to matra and frame a word. This is the homework for you. Number 1, gilas. Number 2, parivar. Number 3, tinka. So listen, children, what I mean to say, you have to understand that change this letter as a matra and you should have to write. Okay. You have to write. What you should have to write? Letter as should be changed as what? Matra. You have to change it to matra. Okay. So I think this class is very clear. Now this homework is very clear for you. Okay. Now here I'll write once again. Okay. Now so wherever I had circled the letter, సర్కిల్ చేసిన లెటర్ ఏం మారుతుంది? ఇప్పుడు ఇలా సర్కిల్ చేశాను కదా నేను, ఇది ఎలా మారుతుంది? చోటీకి మాత్ర. ఇఫ్ ఐ సర్కిల్ ఆర్ లెటర్, దిస్ ఆర్ లెటర్ ఇస్ చేంజ్ ఇంటూ మాత్ర. ఆ మాత్ర ఇలా ఆ మాత్ర పెట్టుకొని రాయాలి. అర్థమైందా? కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు ఫాలో మీ? आप लोग समझ में आ रहा? अक्षर को मात्रा चेंज करना है. बदलना है, अक्षर से मात्रा को बदलकर उसे शब्द बनाइए. Okay, is it clear, children? Okay. Now this is only 3 homeworks. You can do it very easily, isn't it? Write very neatly, leave one line and write. Okay. So first one is gilas, number 2 parivar, number 3 tinka. Okay. Now let me start my badi ki matra class. Are you all ready? Take out a fresh page. Don't continue in the previous matra in the homework. Okay. Now this is the new matra. That is badi ki matra. Okay. So badi ki matra, what is that? We are going to learn about which exercise? Hard words. We will do the hard word practice. Okay. Now this is my margin line. Okay. Everyone know, no? Please draw 2 lines, all of you. In your class notebook, you should have to draw 2 lines. Only 2 lines. You don't even see this margin line. Margin line ever add cheyadu. E 1 line. 1 and 2. This is enough. Okay. Now keep on writing. Write first 8 words. First word 3 times. Second word 3 times. Okay, children. So 2 times class work, 1 time homework. Okay. So are you all ready now? Come on, write now. Spell the word of bakadi. Ma, ka, daku badi ki matra, d. One I will show you. Follow it. Ma, ka, daku badi ki matra, d. Ma, ka, daku badi ki matra, d. Makadi. Second one. Okay. Spell the word of bakari. Ba, ka, raku badi ki matra, ri. Bakari. Write 3 times. 2 times class work, 1 time homework. Follow the first one, all of you. This is 2 times class work. Okay, this is also class work. And here this is the homework. Okay, so make this 2 lines. Write very neat handwriting, children. The next one, lakadi. La, ka, daku badi ki matra, d. Lakadi. Fourth one, titali. ताकू छोटी की मात्रा ती, त, ली. लाकू बड़ी की मात्रा ली, तितली. Fifth one, बिजली. See, I am using previous मात्रा, छोटी की मात्रा. बाकू छोटी की मात्रा बी, ज. लाकू बड़ी की मात्रा ली, बिजली. Okay, spell the word of बिजली also. Next, पीला. पाकू बड़ी की मात्रा पी, लाकू आ की मात्रा ला, पीला. मकड़ी, बकरी, लकड़ी, तितली, bijali, पीला. And how you should have to learn? Not this way. This is not the way. How to spell? Ma, ka, daku badi ki matra d. Makadi. Ila chadavali. Ba, ka, raku badi ki matra ri. Bakari. लकड़ी. स्पेल द वर्ड ऑफ लकड़ी. ल, क, डाकू बड़ी की मात्रा डी. लकड़ी. स्पेल द वर्ड ऑफ तितली. ताकू छोटी की मात्रा ती, ता, लाकू बड़ी की मात्रा ली, तितली. बिजली स्पेलिंग. बाकू छोटी की मात्रा बी, ज, लाकू बड़ी की मात्रा ली, बिजली. नेक्स्ट, पीला. पाकू बड़ी की मात्रा पी, लाकू आ की मात्रा ला, पीला. नाउ आई विल टेल यू. मकड़ी. मकड़ी అంటే ఏంటి? స్పైడర్. మకడి మీన్స్ స్పైడర్. बकरी, गोट. गोट అంటే మేక. మేక కన్నా లే बकरी. ఓకే, హిందీ में क्या बोलते हैं? बकरी. लकड़ी मीన్స్ स्टिक. लकड़ी అంటే ఏంటి? కర్రకి ఏమనాలి? स्टिक. तितली, बटरफ्लाई. तितली मीन्स व्हाट? बटरफ्लाई. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? तितली को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? बटरफ्लाई. बिजली, लाइटनिंग. వర్షాకాలంలో చూసారా ఒక మెరుపు వస్తుంది మనకి, లైట్నింగ్. దానికి ఏమనాలి? బిజ్లీ. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ బిజ్లీ ఇస్ వాట్? కరెంట్, పవర్. ఓకే, ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ పీలా, ఎల్లో కలర్. పాకు బడి की मात्रा पी, ला को आ की मात्रा ला, पीला. Okay, so now I will rub this lines because I am going to next page now. You also should go for next page. Don't continue the words beside the word, sixth hard word, because next two lines are for to write two times classwork and one time homework. If words are completed in one page, you go to next page. దాని పక్కకి ఎవరు కంటిన్యూ చెయ్యొద్దు, ఎందుకంటే దాని పక్కకి ఇంకోటి సారి రాయాలి. ఇది టూ టైమ్స్ క్లాస్ వర్క్ రాయాలి, మళ్ళీ వన్ టైం. మీకు సపోజ్ ఒక రో అయిపోతే నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో టు నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్. డోంట్ రైట్ బిసైడ్ ద వర్డ్స్. That line space is for to write two times classwork, one time homework. Is it clear, children? I think you had understand now. Okay. So now let me continue. Okay, this is my blackboard. So I can't do it as like your classwork notebook. Okay. Please try to follow my words. Seventh one. Get ready. Spell the word Deepak. Lamp. दाकु बड़ी की मात्रा दी प क. दीपक. Lamp. Okay. मछली. म छ. लाकु बड़ी की मात्रा ली. मछली. Fish. Okay. Next one. We'll go for the next word is मिठाई. Spell the word of मिठाई. माँ को छोटी की मात्रा मी. ठा को बड़ी ठा को आ की मात्रा ठा. ई. मिठाई. स्वीट. मिठाई का मतलब क्या? स्वीट. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन. You can write, spell the word of आरती. आ र ताकू बड़ी की मात्रा ती. आरती. 11th one. बधाई. ब धा ई. बधाई. ओके. धा को आ की मात्रा धा. ई. बधाई. 12th one. 12th hard word. सीता. सा को बड़ी की मात्रा सी. ता को आ की मात्रा ता. सीता. सो दीपक, मछली, मिठाई, आरती, बधाई, सीता. Again, Deepak also two times classwork, one time homework. मछली. Spell the word. म छ. ला को बड़ी की मात्रा ली. मछली. Spell the word of Deepak. The. Don't say the. The. दा को बड़ी की मात्रा दी. प क. दीपक. Okay. So you have to learn like this with the spellings. मिठाई. माँ को छोटी की मात्रा मी. माँ को छोटी की मात्रा मी. Don't say me. ठा को आ की मात्रा ठा. ई से ई खंडा कदा. ई. मिठाई. आ से आम. र. ता को बड़ी की मात्रा ती. आरती. बधाई, not बघाई. It is ध से धनुष. ब से बतख, स्मॉल ब. धा को आ की मात्रा ध. ई. बधाई. सीता. स से सब्जी. Isn't it? No, it is not sha or sha. It is sa. सा को बड़ी की मात्रा सी. ता को आ की मात्रा ता. सीता. So come on, say मकड़ी, बकरी, लकड़ी, तितली, बिजली, पीला, दीपक, मछली, मिठाई, आरती, बधाई. Last one is सीता. Okay. So please children, what are the different letters are there? Please, this is cha. The line is coming out of the letter, that is cha. Cha se chammach. And another one is ja. This is ja se jug. Okay. See, look at the difference. This is dha. Every time, every class I was making you to remember. This curved letter is called dha. Dha se dhanush. This is gha. While writing sh, you have to write it small and look at this letter. Write this sh like this. Okay. When you write bha, this is bha and this is ma. Next one. This is tha. Look at the differences, all of you. This is tha. This is ya. Okay. When you write ha letter, please remind this way how to write this ha letter. Keep the habit of writing ha letter like this. Okay. Now when the turn comes, I had shown the differences. cha and ja, dha and gha, bha and ma, tha and ya, where the letters may get, sometimes you get more confused. So every class, one time I was showing the differences so that you can remember those letters, you can do the good identification. Okay, you don't get confused. Cha and ja in between dha and gha, in between bha and ma, and tha and ya. Look at those letter differences. What is a sound? Which sound you can take for this letter? Cha. This is ja. See, entirely it was changed. When this line is getting into the inside of that letter, that is ja. It is out of it. Cha. This is curve. Dha. Without curve. Gha. Again for bha, bha se bhalu, curve letter. Ma se machli, no curve. Again tha, again curve letter. Tha se thermos. This is without curve. It is ya. Ya se yagna. Okay. So please keep on writing. And when you write E letter also, don't write like this. This is not E. Turn the letter, exact turn. This is the way curve line. When you curve the letter, no, that curving should be very sharp. Don't do one small and one big like this. This is not the way to write E letter. Don't follow such way. Okay. So don't do this type of mistakes in the classwork. Okay. So you don't write these all the letters. Just I have shown you to understand. Okay, second class children. So you will understand this class. Tomorrow I will continue with again some more hard words. Okay. Do the practice, learning plan practice more, and writing practice also more. Okay. So I had given one time only homework, 2 times classwork. Spell the word and keep on doing the practice, second class children. Is it clear? So today my class is completed. I hope this class is very clear for my second class, this Hindi class, and I hope everyone is going to write very good handwriting in my language class. Okay. Classwork notebook, keep your classwork note very neat and keep on writing the classwork and homework practice. But if you want to do more practice, you do it in the rub book, not in the classwork. I gave only one time homework. That previous homework also before I start the class, and this is also one time. Okay class, okay. So I hope this class is very clear. Let me close this session and tomorrow we will go with the next hard words for you. Okay. Thank you children. Take care.